Hey, welcome to the episode number 5 of Probashi Potpourri, the podcast channel that is brand new but will bring you sagas of journeys of beautiful people with heart and soul and lot of stories. This is a podcast channel which is all about stories, adda, and vibes. Stories of the guests, adda of the guests and myself, and the vibes of the unmissable Just BLR. We are all here to enjoy that and cherish those moments that as I keep talking to them, you'll get to know why we are here and get to know each guest a little bit, a tad bit more. This episode, I have someone very special. And why do I say that they are special to me? And mind you, this is a couple series that is still on. So I have a beautiful couple with me. And why I say special? Because they are not just the people with fashion, with style, with enigma, but these are the people with pure soul and heart. So I welcome my beautiful guest this episode, Shammi and Sanjay from Chola. They are pioneer when it comes to the fashion industry, and I have to ask you this because when I see a couple doing things together, to be very honest, it's very, a lot of people say, साथ में क्या काम कर लेता होगा कोई, क्योंकि कपल है तो काम कर ही नहीं सकते साथ में, कुछ ना कुछ तो अनबन गड़बड़ चलता रहता है. But when I see successful couples like yourselves into the same work, doing it together, what is that first thing that comes to my mind? This question that goes the first, either Shammi or Sanjay, whoever wishes to answer this, is what came first in your life? Was it the spark of fashion or was it the spark of love?
It was definitely fashion.
Oh my God.
That changed into love.
Yeah, Sanjay, do you admit that?
Completely. It was never ever love at first sight or anything like that.
Okay.
It was pure fashion, pure passion. I came from Delhi to Bangalore for fashion to start up the store Chola along with my uncle. And that is how it all began, and she was studying
So
at
ye kab
JD
tha? When did you actually begin then? I mean, when you came into Bangalore, when was it?
95.
Wow. So we talking now. You know why I said pioneer. I mean, कोई start करे यार OGs हैं. वैसे तो OGs हम भी हैं अपने field में. लेकिन fashion की industry में when I go and look into the entire work that you've been doing, real OGs. So you came down from Delhi to Bangalore, but was it only to start the fashion?
Yes.
The label, or was it? आप आए थे पर पता नहीं था कि क्या होने वाला है.
Pretty much it was like this. It was very small backstory. I was in Delhi. I just completed my graduation.
अच्छा.
BSc in Industrial Chemistry. Which
Oh.
had got nothing to do with.
Oh my God! I was saying,
No
मैंने सोचा भी
competition.
बोलेंगे
नहीं.
NF. मैंने कहा ये
नहीं.
क्या हो गया? Fashion technology बोला ही नहीं आप.
नहीं. BSc in Industrial Chemistry, and I did my Sales and Marketing Management. And as a young kid, we are Jains, Marwadis, तो एक रहता है कि लाइफ में कुछ तो कर ही लेंगे, फैमिली में ये वो.
Yes.
So one of my uncles, he happened to see me and he said कि बैंगलोर आजा, कुछ इकट्ठे कर लेंगे. And
Okay.
उनको फैशन का, कपड़ों का थोड़ा सा शौक था, तो वो बैंगलोर आए कुछ करेंगे. So that was in October, November 94. And I
Okay.
was supposed to come to Bangalore 95 March.
अच्छा.
In January, he calls and tells me Sanjay Mata. Because जैसा स्टोर में सोच रहा था वैसा कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है. And by that time मैंने दिल्ली में सबको बोल दिया था कि I'm moving to Bangalore.
Okay.
So would have been like impossible at that moment कि अब मैं ज़बान वाली बात होती है.
Right.
I said, Uncle, I would come and I will look into this what happens. And just came to Bangalore, had no clue whatsoever about Bangalore. But as destiny would have it, third day we were able to lock our store place. Seventh day the workshop space.
Wow.
And on the 15th is my residence. So everything was sorted, and he was like, "तू कैसे करता है?" I had no idea.
I know.
It was destined, and she was studying actually at JD then.
And Shammi, so I'll ask her. Shammi, आप जैसे अब ये आए, आपको तो इनका कुछ अता
ये
पता
मेरे
भी नहीं पता
पीछे
होगा. ओह अच्छा, मेरे पीछे पीछे आए.
मुझसे पहले आए.
वो
अच्छा, तो
आ गया था ना,
आप बैंगलोर में ही थे या फिर you also came from somewhere else and then settled
नहीं,
down?
I finished my graduation and came to Bangalore to do fashion
You also came
designing.
from Delhi?
Yes.
Oh,
I came
अच्छा,
for
तो
fashion
दिल्ली में नहीं मिले
designing.
आप?
नहीं, यहाँ पे नहीं मिले, यहाँ पे आके
किस्मत
मिले.
यहीं पे मिलना था.
Yes. And I was doing my fashion designing, and in
अच्छा.
between they opened their store, and then my teacher asked me to go and give interview.
Oh.
And I said, why अभी finish नहीं हुआ है, let me finish my course. She said, no, it's okay, you just try, we'll see. पहले जाके और then we will talk. ठीक है, then I went, they interviewed me, and they selected me.
Okay.
And
And ये कब हुआ?
they
Spark
said
of love
कि-
कब हुआ?
ये हमारे बुजुर्गों ने डाला हमारे अंदर. So that's
Yes,
another
uncle.
truth, you know. So we were working together.
Would love to know that.
No, seriously. So 95 we opened the store in July, and so again, you know, since I belong to the community, हमारे में age 24, 25 is the ripe age to get married. So
Yes.
I was around 22 when we started. So next couple of years, by 96, my uncle and my family was. I had lost my dad long back, so they were looking at my matrimony stuff and all. So one of the days, and by that time I'd already seen a couple of alliances, and it just did not work out for whatever reason. And then one fine day my uncle asked me ki, how is Shammi? I said, yeah, Shammi is fine, she's good. तो नहीं मतलब as a शादी के लिए.
Oh.
I said, where does it come from now?
Oh, अच्छा, so nothing was there in your minds?
No,
दोनों के दिल
not
में कुछ
really.
नहीं था?
No.
Oh, wow. This is a great
This
thing.
is very filmy what happens next, because then uncle says ki, she can be a very good life partner for you, because एक ही फील्ड में काम कर रहे हो और दोनों एक दूसरे को समझते अच्छे हो, and I can see that chemistry जिस तरह से इकट्ठे काम कर रहे हो, you are enjoying each other's company. I said, but uncle, we have never thought even
of it.
from that perspective. He said कि नहीं, and my mom was absolutely alone in Bangalore. तो ये कभी-कभी हमारे घर आती थी. तो this
She also would have definitely liked your company, है ना?
Yeah, a
She
lot.
liked my company, but she never thought about this कि like I can be her
सोचो,
daughter-in-law.
सोचो।
Because I'm conservative
But
भी ना वैसे
मेरे को तो ये लगा उल्टा बोलोगे आप कि मैं
नहीं।
जाती थी तो वो सोचती थी लेकिन हमने नहीं
नहीं।
सोचा.
नहीं,
Usually
नहीं।
older people do think yeah they have all this
So
going
वही
on in
ना।
their
Because of
minds.
the
Yeah.
caste
caste.
religion.
I'm Jain,
yes.
she's a Sikh.
Oh yes.
Right, so that was a huge difference,
So
and so
then
mom सोच भी नहीं सकते थे. So uncle said कि सोच इस बारे में it could be a good thing.
He put the seed in your.
He put the seed, so inception किया उन्होंने.
उन्होंने डाला.
And वो बात आई गई वाली हो गई, and I never bothered to even think, discuss whatever. 6 महीने बाद उन्होंने पूछा संजय क्या सोचा है? like क्या सोचा? तो शम्मी के बाद मैं said कुछ नहीं सोचा. बोले तो फिर सोच ले अब.
Oh.
Then I discussed with mom, and mom was like, girl is very good, लेकिन यार अपने कास्ट वाली नहीं है तो, और मतलब इतना भी
Community
तो
वाली
कुछ
बात आ गई
नहीं.
तब,
Genuine
हाँ.
बात है, so I'll be very
Yeah,
upfront and
yeah,
honest on
yeah.
that. And back then I'm talking about 96, 97
Yeah.
तो
And it wasn't
And
a
it
love
was-
marriage ना.
It
See
wasn't.
जब क्या होता है love already है तो फिर you fight for your community or
Yes,
whatever it is.
yes.
But यहाँ तो it was arranged हो रहा था
Arranged
तो
marriage, yes.
why would they think कि
Why
किसी
would
और
they?
community को जबरदस्ती ला के
क्यों
अंदर
ले?
लाओ? Yeah, I know.
But my dadi, so she was like, she was big time in love with her.
How sweet.
And then she said कि संजय इसको बहू बनाना है. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है. तो ये मेरे uncle and my daddy went to her
My
home
Oh.
रिश्ता के लिए,
अच्छा.
and her parents had the shock
They were
of their
shocked.
life कि ये
Because they wouldn't have actually thought of this ever.
All of a sudden, without informing, they reached there
my
and
God.
शम्मी का
they were
चाहिए.
shocked.
Wow.
And
Hey,
when
I
I
honestly, अच्छा I know you all so long, मुझे ये नहीं पता था यार. अच्छा हो गया ये podcast के जरिए मुझे काफी कुछ अंदर का. मैंने तो सोचा actually love sparked into fashion.
No.
Really? It's the other way around.
इनफैक्ट हम शायद दोनों काम वाले इतने ज्यादा मसरूफ रहते थे काम में कि कभी we would not have even thought
तभी तो
about.
इंसान मैंने तभी तो
yeah,
सोचा
once
कि
or
fashion
twice
की
we
वजह से
discussed
कुछ.
also. He was talking to me about the
हाँ.
marriage, and
Yes.
I said no, he should be a complete proper Sardar.
I remember.
Yes,
अच्छा.
yes,
Yeah.
I will marry to you.
Yeah, because मेरा भी चाहता तो मैंने ऐसे casually पूछा था, Shami, what kind of groom person
Are
would you
you?
like to marry and all.
So she
she
said
said
Sikh.
the first rule first Sikh होना चाहिए,
Sikh
सरदार
होना
होना
चाहिए.
चाहिए.
देखो.
तो मतलब 1% भी मेरे मन में कुछ गिरा
था तो
नहीं
भी
भाई
गया.
तू तो रहने दे.
Actually,
तू तो
यहाँ
रहने
तो
दे.
नहीं
I
गलेगी
am a
दाल.
very religious person. तो मेरे को था नहीं. मतलब
This
ये
is
तो
a
कभी
must.
सोचा नहीं है.
हाँ. This is the basic requirement that you would have thought at that moment कि भाई इतना तो चाहिए because you were not looking at something. You're not out of the way. You were not out of the way going and getting another community in your life. This is interesting, yeah. Shami, of course, I remember the first time when I met you guys. I will never in my life forget this, and I must say this to all my viewers. You also must know this because the reason why I'm having you all here for this episode or for my channel, the first reason, I love you guys, okay? अनकंडीशनल लव. तो ये तो आपको भी पता है कि हम जितना लड़ें जितना करें, मैं और संजय तो वो सच्ची में वो जानी दुश्मन दोस्त वाले हैं. So that's a different thing. But besides that, why I really wanted you to be here is for people to know कि इस इंडस्ट्री में सिर्फ पैसे शोहरत ही सब नहीं है. You have that golden hearts, both of you. I mean, born with golden hearts is what I would say. So the first time when I met you, आपको याद है आपका वो दूसरा वाला स्टोर हुआ करता था तब, कमर्शियल स्ट्रीट.
Yes.
में
Yes, the
Lady
previous
Crescent
store.
Road.
एकदम छोटी सी staircase होती थी. And I went up and I said I wanted to meet you, and मैं गई थी अपने काम से, and वहाँ जाके I just happened to talk to you about the cause that I work for, and I work for autism community for the longest time that I remember. I shall never ever forget, without blinking an eyelid, दोनों ने जिस तरह से immediately you just jumped up and said that why don't we just do something for you, what do you want us to do, and मेरे दिमाग में तब ये था ही नहीं कि आप क्या कर सकते हो. मैंने सोचा क्या करोगे, क्या कर सकते हो, but when both of you came up with that idea of making our autism community individuals, the boys and girls, into showstoppers and models, I still remember how much I cried that night, thinking कि कोई है जो
You
हमारे
don't know
लिए
how
भी.
much we cried that day when we.
It was so
when
beautiful.
the day when
They walked.
they walked in. We met them on.
Oh yes.
To the
Oh
store.
yes.
They came to our
They
store.
came to your
That
store for
was-
all your measurements and stuff like that. And I think that without thinking, without blinking an eyelid, to have gone ahead and said कि हम हैं, we will do it. For us, it was not just a show. It was making them so special कि even they have the right to look good. And you made them look good. What is it that, you know, I'm not even posing it as a question, to be very honest, but this doesn't even require to be a question. कभी आपको ऐसा लगता है कि जब आपको ऐसा मौका मिलता है, what is it that's going on in your mind, and when you jump up into such a cause, is there something that goes in your mind, is there something that has been there at the back of your mind which makes you accept it immediately? Because a lot of people think and they say we'll get back to you, है ना, आपने सुना ही होगा, this is a very common thing, but how did you do it like in a span of a second, moment पे आपने agree कर लिया? मतलब मेरा प्रपोजल भी नहीं था एक्चुअली, खुद ने प्रपोज किया, खुद ने मुझे बोला. आई जस्ट वंडर व्हाट मेक्स यू सच, आई मीन बोथ ऑफ यू टुगेदर,
I don't
इज देयर
know.
सम बैकग्राउंड टू
We are
इट दैट यू
generally a-
रियली,
नहीं,
और आर यू
ये-
जस्ट मेड दैट वे?
I think, you know, autism की जब बात आई थी, and probably sometime back we would have watched the movie also तारे ज़मीं पे,
Yes.
and कहीं ना कहीं वो कनेक्ट तो था. तो जब आपने बोला तो एक इंस्टेंट, आई थिंक इट इज़ जेनेटिक, कि एक आता है यार हम कुछ कर सकते हैं क्या, तो क्वेश्चन ही हम कर क्या सकते हैं. सो जैसे आपने बोला, मुझे कई बार लगता है ना कि आप पैसों से उतना ही कर सकते हो, पर जो आप खुशियाँ अगर दे सकते हो ना, तो वो लाइफ लॉन्ग किसी के साथ रह सकती है.
Yes.
जैसे आपने अभी जस्ट नाउ यू टोल्ड मी दैट दोज किड्स and they walked ramp wearing those
yes.
costumes.
My God.
So
It was so
if we
amazing.
were able to
Give
get
that
those
happiness
happiness
to them,
in,
yes.
yeah, and their parents'
It's so
lives,
beautiful.
I think we would
It's so
rather feel
beautiful.
more blessed, because as she told, when we went home the other
Yeah.
that day, once we finished the
Yeah.
fittings and all, and we were on dinner table, I was talking to my kids family that this is what happened to that chola, and while explaining the whole thing, we had tears, my family was
Yeah.
crying,
So beautiful.
because we just felt we are so blessed, and who are we on earth to crib at all ever in our lives.
Such so many
I
things that
still
happen.
remember
Wow.
one boy. He was very scared. Was trying to stand on the table, corner
Huh.
table, and
Huh.
he was very scared.
Huh.
And you know,
Yeah.
I tried so many things,
Things
but
to, but no.
one of the
Huh.
teachers,
Huh.
she said,
They,
no,
the staff
yes, yeah, staff,
handle
yes,
करते हैं
yes,
जो
yes.
caregiver.
She explained me, and that was, you know, it was
Yeah.
it was really.
But
sad
what you
to know
did
this.
will always remain with us. Okay. So, all right. So before we get emotional, because these are very
Yes.
close to heart topics.
This make you realize the futility of a lot of things in our lives also.
Yeah.
The
It's
kind of
just so
importance we
short-lived, na?
just
Youth
It's so
give to
short-lived.
things
Thank
which
God
don't-
that what
yeah.
God has given to us,
Yeah.
we should
Cake
be,
opportunity
yes,
that
we are
yes.
blessed.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Which is amazing. Okay, now coming back to certain things that I wanted to know. Now the fashion industry, you know, this is a very, very competitive world. And आज के ज़माने में तो I don't know what to even say. I don't want to even bring you to that competition. You know why? You are way beyond, par excellence. But
Thank you.
I still would like to ask you something. जब ये every nook and corner, so called, with all due respect to people who are into fashion, कोई भी fashion designer बन जाता है आजकल. So is there something that you feel which you want to wish changes or would have changed and would not have been the way it is in the fashion industry of late?
नहीं, अगर
What's
हर कोई
happening?
डिजाइनर बन जाता है, and if everybody wants to become a designer, I think it's always good. It's great.
Great.
So let more and more people come into the industry. And I have always believed that fashion is more like an art. There's a lot of science also into it. We can probably talk about that also
Yes.
sometime later. And you know, the artistic thing cannot be really taught beyond a point.
Yeah.
You need it to definitely have that spark in you,
Correct.
and then you can go to the design schools, get yourself fine-tuned, get
Yeah.
yourself polished, and understand the intricacies. Like in our case, it happens. Shammi brings the insider knowledge, I bring the outsider's perspective, and
That's a
you know,
beautiful combination that the two of
we are
you.
just blessed. This was never ever thought in our lives. And I would still say the first 6 months of Chola, I had no clue whatsoever what was happening. मुझे कुछ आता ही नहीं था. I knew nothing. And
Yes,
she
this
was
is-
out of college and she was a pro. She literally knew everything and anything. And when I compare Shammi with today's kids who come
That
to
is
us
what I
from
wanted
the
to
most premier institutes
Yeah,
of India, I'm like, हो क्या गया ये? मतलब in
Exactly.
25-30 years, growth होनी चाहिए थी.
It's
I don't
the-
feel that growth
That
in the
is
kids
what I
today.
wanted to know
I
from
think
you.
it is primarily because of the kind of passion with she बोलते ना यहाँ पे आग होनी चाहिए, the fire in the belly.
So,
So it
Shami,
was-
is that
yeah.
some defining factor which you feel has? See, we are not talking about ourselves because we are OGs, we know it, but we are also very down to earth and you know हमें पता है हम grounded हैं, हमें मालूम है कि हम जहाँ हैं आज because of a lot of factors, blessings बोलो, लोगों की अच्छे you know treatment बोल लो, लोगों के साथ अच्छे relationship बोल लो, network बोल लो, लेकिन there has to be a defining factor which makes you a different designer from the rest of them who are coming up, like he said. What is that in you, that one factor that you would say defines you थोड़ा अलग from rest of them? I want to know from you, आपके अंदर वो क्या है? वो आग तो है, but something.
See what happens is आपको पढ़ाया जाता है. You are not kids. मतलब आप वहाँ पे नर्सरी में पढ़ने तो नहीं गए हो, आपको ABC तो नहीं सिखाई है. They will give you something कि आपको ये पढ़ना है, and then you have to you know put your whole and soul कि ये मेरे को जानना है इसके अंदर. जो वो कॉन्सेप्ट देते हैं, those are all related to that only कि they don't teach कि आपको डिजाइनिंग ऐसे करनी है, ऐसे ड्रॉ करो. It's just they are giving you hints and उसको डीप में जाके पढ़ना
Yeah,
आपको
it's
है.
like that खाने का
that's what-
रेसिपी ना, खाना तो बना दिया लेकिन जो प्रेजेंटेशन है
हाँ.
वो खुद अपनी क्रिएटिविटी
Yes,
से यूज
उसके
करनी
बाद
पड़ती
भी
है.
अगर आप YouTube से सीख रहे हो कहीं से रेसिपी, तो वो रेसिपी बता रहे हैं, पर उसके साथ आपको अपना एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, तो
Yes.
kind of आप
No,
उसको
the
परफेक्ट
truth
बना
is this, you
पाओगे.
know, आपको एक और
तो
बात
you
बता दूं कि
need
Shammi's
to-
batch, they were 40 odd kids. I'm sorry to interrupt.
Yes, around
And
38,
2 kids
40
passed
years.
out.
Wow.
2.
My
And I'm talking about 1995.
I know, I was just going back to that कि ये तो 95 की बात कर रहे हो
95
आप.
में out of batch of 42 kids actually
It's got the
passed.
certificate.
Right? 38 could not.
Amazing.
And that just shows
How
the kind of hard
brilliant.
work she would have
How
put in.
brilliant you are.
And how much the others, you know, वो जो fun होता है ना, कि लाइफ में कुछ नहीं करते, चलो डिजाइनिंग
हाँ.
It's just उस
अच्छा,
समय
वो
वही था
time
कि
pass
वो
होगा शायद
डिग्री,
उनके लिए तो?
वो शादी के लिए एक डिग्री हाथ में आ जाती है ना, तो that was-
Oh my God.
And एक और चीज़ है, the you know reason what I strongly believe that what's you know makes
Makes
Shammi
her,
apart from the
the
others
rest
is,
of them.
trust me on this one, I'm telling you, she brings so much of honesty and heart
Yeah, wow.
to her craft.
That shows on her
Because when the
personality,
clients
yeah? That I will tell
yes,
you. ये
when
तो
the
मुझे
clients
पता है.
message,
I
I tell
vouch
you what,
for it.
it's very simple. You have purchased a garment from me.
Yeah.
You have paid for it an X amount. It is kind of a transaction. The story
Yes,
can
yeah,
be over there.
over there.
But just think about it. Her clients message her,
हाँ.
send their picture,
Yes.
tell her how much difference her clothes have brought to
made
their
into
lives,
her.
and they tell her कि अगर सामने होते तो we would have kissed you, we want
How
to hug
sweet
you.
is that? Yeah.
I
Like
mean-
the other day, I wanted to give you all surprise,
Yeah.
and you know what I did? I checked which day are you going to come for which event. Why would I do that?
Why would you
Tell
do
me.
that?
Yes.
The
Exactly.
previous day I was at another
Yeah.
event and I knew
You had
you're
all
not
the
there in
reasons
the
to wear
guest
them,
list.
yeah.
I checked. I said they are not coming. Why should I wear their costume? So the next day I said, I know इसमें तो पक्का आएंगे, but और मैंने कुछ नहीं, मैंने कहा जब जाऊंगी तो सीधा खड़ी हो जाऊंगी. You saw the expression
Yes.
that you had,
Yes.
you
Absolutely.
had,
Yes,
and
yeah.
I was feeling so proud to,
Yes.
you know, adorn
Yeah.
that because you know it makes.
And you did justice to that
I
outfit.
know. I was like, I was so worried. Am I doing justice to your
Massive,
costume?
massive.
But I was so happy to see that smile on your face. The way Sanjay said, Shami, वो देख, वो पहन के आई है. That is all I wanted. That is all I wanted. So I can imagine when you say this, each client would be, because it's very easy to just treat it as a transaction.
Exactly.
But what goes beyond it is the
Exactly.
heart.
Yes.
the
And
connect.
when people today, you know, they are able to understand. This has not happened forever, you know.
Yeah.
It's in the last few years, probably thanks to their exposure to the outside
Right,
world,
right.
appreciation of the good things in life, is when people do this, you know,
It
it
touches
comes
your
across
heart.
so
It's so
absolutely.
amazing.
मुझे लगता है this is exactly what we are here for. That you appreciate my art and craft.
Right.
You know, transactions can always happen. We have clients. Can you beat this? This is a gentleman client. Every year on Diwali, without fail, he sends gifts and sweets to the whole team, not Sanjay and Shammi.
The whole team.
And he calls and checks. Sanjay ji, इस बार टीम में कितने staff हैं?
So
कितने
nice,
हैं?
huh?
And we send
So
to everybody.
nice.
Everybody.
Lovely.
Yes.
Lovely. These are the relationships that you would always cherish forever. Yeah. And I'm sure people like us who have been seeing your I don't even use the word growth in your case because you are way beyond all of that. Because आप लोगों ने जो एक standard set किया है ना, it's beyond just the business. That's why I have you here on this podium because मेरे लिए यहाँ पे वो ही लोग आएंगे जो लोग सिर्फ growth, success, business, money ये ना बात करें. Beyond that. So you all are beyond that. That's for me. That's what matters the most to have you here, and I'm really honored. Now, coming to the next one. See, it's very, as I said in the beginning, you know, we always feel कि couples कैसे साथ काम कर रहे हैं. I know challenges आते होंगे. She's smiling, she's laughing. I am expecting something. And be honest in this because this is not for our podcast, but this is for the viewers who feel जो दिखता है वही है. उसके पीछे क्या है? Nobody knows. Like we were talking about the hard work that goes behind every
Yes.
little thing that you do, right? So यहाँ पर, you know, you have great chemistry, you have great understanding, but do you recall a certain episode in your life of being in the work as a couple where you've seen a challenge coming in and tell me how you've handled it. If at all it has happened, if it has not happened, God bless. But
It has happened a few times. There's no doubt about it. अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ मैंने तो शायद 2 बार हैंडल किया होगा इन्होंने 200 बार हैंडल किया होगा मुझे.
Oh, so
No, I'm serious about it. And I
I'm
have
sure.
नहीं,
I have no,
इतना भी
you know,
नहीं है.
I have no shame in accepting this because
That's-
मुझे हमेशा
that's
ये
being
लगता है.
humble.
No, it's not humble. I'm telling you. मुझे लगता है कि the growth of a human being can happen, and if you really want it to happen, is एक्सेप्टेंस होनी चाहिए. मैं हमेशा अपनी टीम में बोलता हूँ, अपनी फैमिली में बोलता हूँ, अगर एक्सेप्टेंस ही नहीं है तो आप आगे बात कैसे बढ़ाओगे. तो मेरे अंदर वो एक्सेप्टेंस है. मैं मानता हूँ, आई एक्सेप्ट दैट यस आई हैव फ्लॉज इन माय कैरेक्टर. आई शुड बी much better behaved, more patient, and my problem in life always has been, and my team calls me, you know, in a lot of their phone numbers, my name is said as the perfectionist. So being perfectionist is not a good thing in life, I would say rather, because I try to seek perfection in everything. So a lot of times I feel frustrated, you know, I just keep losing it. कि क्या यार, why can't you do this? Why can't you understand this? 4 बार समझाया, why can't you understand it? So this is my problem, is what I'm saying. If you're not understanding, now I don't take it upon you कि why did you not understand?
अभी आपको changes और transformations आए हैं.
Yes. So
but एक episode तो पक्का बनता है.
So I'll tell you, we were having this fashion show.
मुझे खुजली हो रही है.
No, this could have, honestly I'm telling you, I'm not saying with any couple, it could have snowballed into a major life-threatening thing. So this was a big fashion show happening.
Okay.
And we had set our team and everything.
Okay.
My assistants, they were trained how to drape saris on the models because we were trying a very new technique to do that. Very new technique.
She's recalling it and
नहीं, please.
So
it's okay. Let him.
no. So you know, this is how it was. So the whole team was trained, and let's say our show was around 8:30ish. So by 7 o'clock, 7:30, we would have expected everybody to settle
Settle
down.
down.
And I was very chill because these were all female models, and the team was singing it. So मुझे जाके nothing much was for me to do in that time,
Okay.
and my guys were ready any which ways.
Okay.
Around 7:45, 8ish, when the show is about to start in some time. And I just happened to check what is happening, and I see that the girls were still standing, none of them ready, and I was like, "ये क्या हो रहा है?"
Oh,
And
okay.
my team, they were young interns and you know young designers, so they were probably overawed by the situation. They just forgot everything. The whole training of the last 15 days, they just forgot. They did not know how to drape. And I went in and I was like, Shami, quickly do. And you know what she did? You just shut up.
Oh, I can't even imagine Shami ever saying
Yeah.
this or doing it.
In
Imagine.
front of 30, 40 people of the industry, she yelling at me, you just shut up.
Oh wow!
In front of everybody.
And I want to know you.
Male ego. Male ego.
Exactly. इतने लोगों के सामने
My
बोल
daughter,
दिया.
my teenage daughter, you know, luckily she was there. She saw, And she was like, अब पापा फटने वाले हैं."
And when was this? When was
A
this?
few years back, maybe 7-8 years. ज़्यादा
नहीं,
नहीं.
not
ज़्यादा भी नहीं time हुआ है.
Not too
नहीं
much.
हुआ है.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe 7-8
By then you have
years.
seen each other a
Maybe 5,
lot.
6.
Yeah,
You've
so
understood each
very
other a
well,
lot.
very
Yes,
well.
yes, yes.
But at that heat of the moment, because she knew what she was doing,
Exactly.
she knew she had to handle.
So you
she knew what she could
interrupting,
do,
she
and
was
she was
not-
like, "Tu to hut." So
Chup
she
raho.
just yelled, "You just shut up."
Oh my God.
I looked. I said, "Well, she's right. I have nothing to do here."
Wow.
But
Hey,
trust
this-
me.
And he just left.
अगर
She
वो
left,
नहीं,
yes.
see,
हाँ,
he had a choice.
तो that
either
day the
to
show would have-
react and
Yes,
make
yes.
a mess out of it.
Right.
The
Make
show
a
would
mess
have
of
messed up,
myself,
yes.
actually.
शो
Make
नहीं
a mess
होता
of
वो
our
अलग.
lives.
Yes.
शमी शो नहीं होता
नहीं
वो
होता.
अलग. Relationships में उस moment में
Yes.
क्या से क्या हो
Yes.
सकता है?
Yeah,
Definitely,
it could have been
definitely.
disastrous.
So I
that's what
give it to you.
No, no, no.
I
I would
don't
still
say
not
that.
take-
I don't say कि उनकी गलती थी. You know what?
नहीं, गलती
she
तो
did
मैं मान ही नहीं
exactly what a human being at that moment did.
As
She
a
actually reacted
professional.
like a professional. She did not
Absolutely.
react like a wife.
No.
ठीक है?
Yes.
You, being who you are at that moment, responded and not reacted. This is what I have learned in my soft skill sessions, which I keep telling people, please do not react and respond. That nanosecond time that you took to think, ki, fine, she's right,
Yeah. Yes.
was the game changer.
Yeah.
Amazing. But give me a high five on this one, Sanjay. Actually,
No, but I
I say
still-
hats off to you.
No, no,
for
no.
नहीं, सबके
मैं-
सामने.
हाँ, to
यार,
keep the balance
सोचो ना,
there, yes.
सोचो ना, किसी के साथ भी.
नहीं, मैं आपको फिर से बोलूंगा, ये तभी पॉसिबल है when you have that highest level of respect, trust and love for your partner, when you believe in each other
For-
and when you know it is not for
Amazing.
you. Because let's accept it, you know. अगर शम्मी मुझे सबके सामने या मैं सबके सामने शम्मी पे यल कर रहा हूँ, अगर शम्मी की बेइज्जती है तो वो बेइज्जती किसकी है?
Exactly.
It is mine.
Yes.
Right?
आप अपनी कर रहे हो.
Right.
Yes.
So I'm disrespecting
Yes.
myself and my relationship if I'm yelling at her, and the same thing. So she's not yelling at me. She's
Okay.
just reacting to the scenario where that gentleman who happens to be her husband
Yeah.
should not have uttered a word.
At that moment, she was professional. Let's
Yeah,
put it at
simple.
that.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah. So I have a highest respect, and I say, yeah, she was
Wow.
right.
And coming from a male member
Yes.
who's a husband and a professional, this is great that he accepted it. अरे आपने accept किया ना, वो जो उस वक्त वो सबसे बड़ा game changer था. And God bless you with this kind of understanding. Forever, touch wood, मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि आपकी हमेशा यूं ही अंडरस्टैंडिंग बनी रहे और अगर कभी ऐसा हो भी गया, so now we know. But I really looking at her, I kind of, Shammi would have said this. I can't believe this. No, I
मतलब
can't
इनको
believe
ये
it.
लगता है
I-
शम्जा is the
He can.
villain guy. He can do
ना,
anything.
ना, ना, मैं ये नहीं
He
सोचती
always
हूँ.
says कि ऐसा ही सबको दिमाग में है, सबको ऐसे ही सोचते
नहीं
हैं।
ऐसा
Shami
शायद
करते
कोई
हैं।
सोचता ही नहीं है. But she is too reticent. She's
Yeah.
too quiet and too coy.
She's very monk.
And
She's monk, yeah,
बहुत.
actually.
But I would say it's more than the episode. It's the acceptance that I really appreciate in this case. Okay. Now coming to who do I ask this? Okay, I have to come back to Shami on this because he just narrated something very beautiful between the two of you. आप मुझे ये बताएं कि do you have some kind of memory कि जहाँ पे you feel कि Sanjay could have done this differently, but you just let go, thinking that maybe if I say or I stop him और अगर मैं उनको change करने की कोशिश करूँ किसी चीज़ में या किसी भी episode में ऐसा हुआ हो, fashion related, work related, business related, कि you've had that where you let go of your creativity just because it was his priority to do the way he wanted. कभी ऐसा हुआ है आपके साथ?
See, it's not only creativity, not only profession. हर जगह he's always different. Always, yes. मतलब he is not like any other husband.
Okay.
He stands. मतलब I can't explain you. He's a very different person altogether.
Okay. Okay.
तो
Do you let it go or do you actually speak up and he listens to you? कैसा है? How is it? The understanding way.
नहीं मतलब दोनों होता है.
दोनों होता है.
Both
कभी
ways,
होता
yes,
भी है, कभी
हाँ,
नहीं भी
कभी
होता है.
Yes.
Which is the right thing.
He understands. Yes, he understands each and everything.
And hey, your birthday is coming up. You know that? and I wanted to do this recording on that particular day. But wish you, because we will be probably even, you never know, we might just broadcast on that day. So wishing you in advance a very happy birthday. And may God bless you with all the cheerfulness and all that you have. An amazing, talented
That's
couple.
something he loves. He loves that he should get those many wishes
अरे,
from everyone.
भाई मैं भी
Gives,
कुछ कम नहीं हूँ.
parties, cake,
हाँ,
and he's
I
very fond
remember
of that.
attending all
Yes.
the parties
Yes.
and no. So good यार. A Sagittarian should be.
Yes.
That's all the life is all about. मैं खुद भी हूँ यार, so I don't. I really.
Yeah,
you
no,
saw. I
I
mean,
know.
I am. I love that. See, attention एक चीज है. प्यार एक चीज है.
हाँ, नहीं, he
I'm a
needs-
very
he needs
people's
attention.
person. I'm a very people's person, and I see him the very similar kind of a personality, and that's why we hit it off the day we met. So when he
And we
says
remember
things
that
like
party, we will
we'll
not talk
never
about
go
that."
about that, no, that is offline. That is offline.
And
Censored.
the best part about that was that we both were in that situation, and I was
He
chatting with
was
Shammi,
chatting.
and Shammi's like, "Dude, you're in that party. You're supposed to enjoy the party. You don't message me anything.
Yeah.
You know, just enjoy." And I'm like, "Enjoy what?"
And I'm sitting and looking कि क्या करूँ मैं इस पार्टी में, and then वो कहते हैं ना कि दो भटके हुए इंसान जब एक
मिल
दूसरे
गए,
से
मिल
मिलते
गए,
हैं,
yes.
फिर हमने पता है क्या की, हमने अपनी पार्टी अलग. It was a party by Sanjay and Snicks. There was हम लोग किसी की जरूरत पड़ी नहीं, हमने जो गप्पे मारे, and then that was like how
That
this is
turned.
how you connect
Yeah.
with people, you know, and that's how wonderfully I met all of you for so many different reasons and days together. Amazing. So do catch us on the next part of this episode. Very exciting conversation is still to go on Probashi Patpuri next Monday. See you there.